That right there is a full professional presentation built from one sentence in under 60 seconds using a completely free AI tool. Let me show you exactly how. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Labs English. Today I'm showing you Gamma AI, one of the most powerful free tools available right now for creating presentations, documents, and even full websites without any design skills. And by the end of this video, you'll know every single feature. Let's get into it. Head over to gamma.app in your browser. You can sign up completely free. No credit card, no payment details needed. Just your Google account or your email and you're in. Once you're inside, this is the Gamma dashboard. Clean and simple. You can see all your creations here. And notice this credit counter at the top right. It shows 400 credits. Now, here's something really important I want you to know upfront. These are lifetime credits, not monthly. So I'm going to show you exactly how to get the most out of every single one throughout this video. Now let's start creating. Click Create New. This brings you to the Generate page. And look at the options across the top. You can create a presentation, web page, document, social post, or graphic. And there's even a new label on graphic. That's their brand new feature. You can also choose how many cards you want, the style, and the language. Let's start with a presentation. Make sure presentation is selected at the top. Then in the prompt box, type your topic. I'll use something practical. How to use AI tools to save time at work. 10 practical tips. You can set it to 10 cards, choose classic style, and hit Generate Outline. Gamma first shows you an outline of what it's going to create. You can review it and edit any section before committing. Once you're happy, hit Generate and watch what happens. The entire presentation is being built in real time right in front of you. Slides appearing one by one, layouts, images, text, everything chosen automatically. And it's done. Look at this. A complete 10-slide presentation titled Reclaim Your Day, 10 Practical AI Tips to Save Time at Work. Professional layouts, relevant AI-generated images, structured content on every slide. This took under 60 seconds. Now, let me show you how to customize it. See the theme button at the top? Click it. A full theme panel opens on the right. You can filter by dark, light, professional, or colorful. You can see themes like oatmeal, sanguine, sage, verdigris, ash, coal, dozens of options. Click any theme and the entire presentation updates instantly. The whole look and feel changes in one click. Colors, fonts, everything. Now here's the most important thing about saving your credits. Editing costs 0 credits. Click any text on any slide and just type to change it. Click any image to swap it out. Move elements around. All of this is completely free. Only the initial AI generation costs credits. So once you have a good first draft, edit manually. Don't regenerate. Now let me show you the second way to create, and this one is even more impressive. Go back to the Create with AI page. This time instead of Generate, click Import File or URL. This lets you enhance existing documents, presentations, or web pages. You paste in any URL from the internet and Gamma reads it and converts it into a beautiful presentation. I'll paste in a web page URL right now and show you what happens. You can see it pulling in the content from the web page and restructuring it automatically into a Gamma presentation, complete with the same professional layouts and design. This means any blog post, article, report, or research page you find online can become a presentation in seconds. Now let me create a document. Click Create New with AI again, and this time select Document at the top. Type a prompt, a beginner's guide to starting a YouTube channel in 2026. Set it to 6 cards and hit Generate Outline. The outline appears. You can see it's structured as a full guide with sections like why 2026 is the right time, channel setup, content strategy, and growing your channel. Hit Generate and watch. And here's the document, much richer than a presentation. It's like a fully designed web page with sections, headers, images, bullet points, and structured content. Perfect for guides, reports, proposals, study notes, or any long-form content you want to look polished. Now, here's the feature that genuinely surprises people every time. Let's create a web page. Click Create New with AI again and select Web Page at the top. Type a prompt, a simple portfolio page for a freelance content creator. Gamma generates an outline first. You can see it planned out sections, a hero section, services, proven results, toolkit, awards, and a call to action. Hit generate. The web page builds in real time. And now look at this. Click publish at the top right. Your changes are published and Gamma gives you a live URL, a real working website address ending in gamma.site. Let me open that URL in a new tab. That is a real working website on the internet right now with professional design, real buttons, real sections, real content, built from one sentence prompt, completely free. Notice at the bottom it says made with Gamma. That's the only sign it's on the free plan. But the website itself is fully functional and shareable. Now let me show you the export options. Go back to your first presentation, the AI tips one. Click the share button at the top. You'll see options to share via link or export. Click export and look at all the format options. PowerPoint, PPTX, PDF, PNG images or Google Slides. Let me download it as PowerPoint. Done. And here it is opening in Microsoft PowerPoint. It opens as a real, fully working presentation. All 10 slides, all the images, all the content. You can edit it just like any normal PowerPoint file. The best part, this PowerPoint export is completely free. No paywall, no upgrade needed. You can also use the agent button at the top for even more powerful AI editing across your whole deck. So let me quickly recap what Gamma can do completely for free. 1. Create full presentations from a single sentence prompt in under 60 seconds. 2. Import any URL or file and convert it into a polished presentation automatically. 3. Create rich scrollable documents like guides and reports. 4. Build and publish a real working website instantly. 5. Export everything as PowerPoint, PDF, PNG or Google Slides. And 6. Edit everything with AI using natural language. And here's your free credits tip before I go. You start with 400 lifetime credits. To make them last, always edit manually instead of regenerating. Each regeneration costs 40 credits, but manual editing costs 0 credits. Pick your theme at the start, changing it later costs 20 credits. And avoid the AI image generator inside Gamma, use the free Unsplash images already built in instead. With these habits, your 400 credits will stretch to around 25 presentations instead of running out after 10. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Subscribe so you don't miss our free AI tutorials every week. And drop a comment below telling me what you're going to use Gamma first, presentations, documents or websites. I read every single comment. See you in the next one.